Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video.
Yeah, so right now you're looking at a man, his name is Javon Pinnock. Yeah man, Javon Pinnock, and he's wanted in New York for the murder of Javon Jamison. Yeah man, and we want this man off the street, we want him out like now. Javon Pinnock is wanted by, yes, he's wanted by the NYPD for the murder. Yeah man, he's wanted for the murder of Javon Jamison, aka Blingers. And we want this man off the street like now. Yeah man, we want him off. Along with an accomplice gunned down Jamison outside the Pure Lounge nightclub in Queens, New York on April 8, 2023. Jamison, a 23-year-old from North Lauderdale, Florida, was shot multiple times and succumbed to his injuries at Jamaica Hospital in New York, so them kill him in America. So Pinnock is currently on the run and is believed to be hiding in Jamaica. His accomplice, Christopher King, has already been arrested and charged with murder. Second time now, him charged with murder, you know. King, you know, in New York, you know. So Pinnock is described as black, look like frog. I mean, 5 feet, 10 inches, and 220 pounds, with a scar on his left cheek, or you can say, face. So if you have any information on Pinnock whereabouts, please contact 119 Jamaica and let the police know that this corrosion is wanted by the police in New York, and they would issue the warrant to extradite him. There's an extradition warrant out for this man. But please, we're begging you, we're beseeching you. Use your conscience, please, for once. Don't follow the criminal-minded Jamaicans, man. Protect criminals. Because, look, the same boy that you're protecting today, tomorrow he might turn on you. Alright, so moving on to today's video. Yes, you know, I've served in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. You know, I've done over more than a decade, so I am pensionable in Jamaica. It's coming up to that time. Yes, you have to reach a certain age to get pension when you're serving the police force. You have to do more than 10 years, so I don't know what my pension look like there. But we're not talking about pension or anything like that. We're talking about police. So today, you know, you will have the opportunity to watch, to hear and evaluate the talent of a female dancehall artist who's also a serving police officer in Jamaica, stationed at Denantown Police Station. From what I have heard, her lyrical prowess and delivery surpass those of some of the well-known names in the industry. Many who have listened to her music argue that she is more skilled and impactful than Spike, whom I refer to as the big cowfoot woman, a so-called queen of dancehall, or dirty all, or dirty anything, immoral all, you know, who in my view has done immense damage to the minds of black people with her reckless promotion and hypersexuality, the LGBTQ plus agenda, and a culture that devalues morality and discipline. Unlike Spice and other Main Street artists such as Shenseea and the so-called Duppy Bats, who dilutes dancehall with gimmicks and superficial lyrics, this Policewoman brings a refreshing, authentic energy to the genre. Her music isn't just about fleeting trends and empty hype. It carries a message, real substance, and raw talent. that reminds us of the power of dancehall when it's used as a tool for evaluation rather than degradation. Now, the decision is yours. You watch, you listen, you decide, and judge for yourself. Does she represent a new positive shift in dancehall, or will the industry continue to be dominated by those who prioritize controversy, decadent, dirty behavior, and controversy over content? Yeah, and like what she name Shenseea say, hey, she don't have a problem for open up her body and a man coming out that too. So that way I tell her, say, them people here, they are the epitome of evil, Satan children. They will do anything what white people say because they want to make money. Them not have no moral, no core values, nothing. This Bigfoot woman and them thing there, yeah, you see, there's a video on the channel where you see her side like somebody threw a grenade. And yeah, because she try to put on false body, because you see, so her foot them big like cow, yeah, big cow foot. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And I try to, I always say cow, because cow foot small, but we usually always say cow foot or hog leg. You understand? Yeah. Shannon, there's nothing that she have done that contribute anything positive to the music industry. Nothing. Decadent. All she do is go on and she go a BET, go skin out a big old, I hear see all black and cross and all of them things in between her like. So I mean, we have to tell you the truth of what we say. You understand? So I want you to take listen to this artist. You watch, you listen, and you decide. And nobody not tell you nobody at them. If people operate and behave a certain way, no, you can't tear them down. I just say you go. So you watch and you listen and you decide. And tell me if this is the face of new dancehall that can change it.
I want traffic on this. I said I'm here for that episode of my yourself. Traffic time. Come take a seat and listen to reason as a traffic occurs all season. When we go on, we get the meeting, but I'm not your so no breastfeeding. Sometimes I wonder who makes the system. It was so designed to quickly fix things. Stopping at the road for team of kisking. This is what LPTs know I'm eating. Come on, ancestor, kind of good feeling. Instead of a traffic sister on your head. We don't know this summer architecture, covering tight, even up trees, in this head. It's broad, where you work, my telling peace them. And it's not a word, they say, yes, I tell you. Say, oh, all what the one telling both things. But what was your child talking at 20? It's your one talking about this. We'll make us here. Sing it with me, but now music. Keep your neck, you just a music. Alright, you know so. I just need my one, see a people without faith, people by your man. Pull him to the side right next to the bank, he said, public attitude, what's the problem, ma'am? I said, stop here, sir, you start a wrong, but anyway, to remain professional, I tell you about the officer from no place, one he's the officer, who work a water commission. I got given the right to reach road, chopping up, he's the calling here to start, if no me head attack, if I take me alive, to my bed, rock, like, and if they're going to the record bed drop, what's the code? I want code life enough. Brother, I want code life. Every police will stop their road with a traffic highway falling a piece of dog. That is it. We are called traffic practitioners. Understand? Here are all my friends. Right? Peace and truth. These are the anthem. Load up the car, start up to fund them. Make we go here to the offender them. My word too easy, I'm not say it again. Just confirm the 12th of February with city and DC, what the military. When I come from the road, they like cemetery. So how them a call about accident at Terry? And we say, you know, as they police will go so far by Jenny. Hey, come on, man, it is I wire. Sister, I'm going to show you on the back. And you're not bad like me. Listen right now. About his friend of mine, of the Western Division. ACP. You don't know what is that face. And now I'm at a place called Traffic. 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 Big up. Let me tell you, man, the only job better than this job is that man, I tell you. Let me start with you. Let me big up my friend them because him the film friend. What's up? See my friend them here? Fly. Now my friend them on a posters. We have a couple mongrel, but we must roll it over. Let it go shut the liar pen with up of so much. What it is? I'm homosexual, that liar person. For the hormone and vocal, international and local, and global. I don't know first I know the calculator check the total. I try to see my man in action at the so-called. I'm not going like proposal. My money like the owners. We shot a bit like soda buckle, Sprite and Coca-Colas. We make a lot of like babies in a strollers, kind of flip like motor-rollers. But you don't know like vanishing cream and honey rollers. I beat that tongue, you say, come on, let's say, money, come on. He said, this is the anthem. Hold up the stars, start up the fun them. Make to the age of the offender, them might work too easy. I'm gonna say it again. Just confirm the 12th of February with Sibley and EC for the military. When I come to the next military, hold them up about accident of third. You have never with sense, some don't have any. Police are up some stuff like jelly. They come to Bob TV on them and them marry. Oh, I'm not nice, but the place get shelly. See me, I get trained when you want to roll out with Thomas and Perry. We just said transport our freight and conquer. Shut up for this deal, shut up for this deal. Right, ready? Right up. As a piece that up, we're rated as the best. Each now again, they're going to reflect the best. It's called my camera, move it to the test. To me, know the book, me just say less. Officer, why you stop me? Don't give it the right. With due diligence, give them up for a good night. You know we're not so you hide them bright. At 7:30, where's the car headline? You're giving me a ticket, me say yes, that's right. The next one, I get this car, don't play light. The other one, I get this car, don't break light. And if they go on top, come make us pretty bad light. All about that. Good? All entertainment, all work. You hear this? By the Dancehall, don't get put on. You don't know who you get it from. I don't think I jump, man. I don't think I be a scanning. With the media and the group chat. Right now, police are leading. The place are tear down, but we are leading. The last time I'm checking them, I'm going to recover them fire and there's four still up on the road. They know where them chances to just get. We're very active. I'm pretty why I'm trying to like this. I'm not getting no more here. We have a photo, a map long, a gun, a shotgun, a Ruga, a Luga. We have a barrel gun, the SA, the HK, and the note, the one that get none of the clash, the Berita, and the slim gun, the one that makes a lose it, they call it a gun, they call it a breeze guy, and they take that when you see the head, and the heart attack.
Well, I am not going to be biased or anything like that, you know. Yeah, you know, I don't really listen to dancehall music anymore. I said that already for years, yeah, because it's just garbage. So, based on what you heard, her delivery is undeniably strong, demonstrating a level of confidence, clarity, and lyrical dexterity that stands out in today's dancehall scene. Unlike many mainstream artists who rely on controversy, shock value, and explicit content to gain attention, she appears to focus on substance, rhythm, and authenticity. Her flow is sharp, her roleplay is engaging, and most importantly, she brings a refreshing energy that suggests she isn't just another artist chasing clout. She has something real to offer. As for whether she is the change we have been waiting for to revive or truly enjoy dancehall again, that depends on how she develops her craft and whether she stays true to a path that uplifts rather than degrades the culture. If she continues to refine her artistry while maintaining a message of discipline, empowerment, and lyrical excellence, she could very well be a game changer. And we applaud her because she know in a falls here, in a big, a dirty year, makes smell bad. How you mean? That's how it go. That's why I encourage all of the youths them hey, look here, don't even try to even knock it or anything like that, because you know if you go to bed with an angel and wake up with a duppy and you get all heart attack and dead, you know how much man in America dead from that club with woman and wake up and see woman have a heart attack. You can't stay there. Alright, you think a joke. So However, the dancehall is filled with challenges. Those who promote meaningful content often struggle against the commercialized, watered-down version of the genre that dominate the mainstream. Ultimately, if she remains consistent and gain the right support, she has the potential to bring back the essence of dancehall, one that values skills, originality, and a message beyond mere hype. Now the question is, will the industry and the audience embrace this shift, or will they continue to celebrate mediocrity and corruption of the culture? And that's that happen. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel. And when I say boy, the policewoman are bad still. Jamaica, Young Police Channel out.